In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the region in your Google Chrome browser. This is useful if you want search results that are tailored to a specific location. Maybe you're traveling or need information that pertains to a different area. No matter the reason, being able to adjust the region settings in Chrome can be incredibly helpful. Let's dive in and make this process as seamless as possible for you. To start with, open your browser and go to the Google homepage by typing google.com into your address bar. This step is essential because from this window, you'll access the settings we need to change your region. Once you're on the Google homepage, direct your attention to the bottom right corner of your screen where you'll see a cog icon that says Settings. Click on this and a small menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to choose Search Settings. This will take you to a new page where we can start modifying the region settings. On the left panel of this new page, look for an option called Other Settings. Hover your mouse over it and you'll see further options become available. Click on it to expand the panel. This is where you'll find a variety of settings that you can tweak, but today we're focusing on the region settings. Next, under the Other Settings section, you'll notice an option labeled Language and Region. This is critical for altering the regional settings of your search results. Go ahead and click on Language and Region to proceed. Once you've clicked on it, you'll be brought to a page where you can see different settings related to languages and regions. Now, the main feature we're interested in is called Results Region. This setting determines which country's version of Google you're interacting with. Click on Results Region, and you'll see a list of different regions or countries available to choose from. Pick the region that you want your search results to align with. For example, if you're searching for local news in France, simply select France as your region. Once you've selected your desired region, make sure to scroll down to the bottom of the page and save your changes. Google might prompt you to confirm your choice, and if so, just follow the on-screen instructions to finalize your changes. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the region setting in your Google Chrome browser. This adjustment will ensure that your search results are more relevant to the geographical area you've chosen. Remember, you can switch back or choose a new region anytime by following these same steps. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.